Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You're starting with the file open in Google Docs. Make sure you have edit rights and the layout set the way you want. Once done, scan for final edits. Fix spacing, images, and page breaks so they export correctly. You're doing this now to avoid re-exporting. Next, position the cursor anywhere and review headers, footers, and page size because PDFs preserve those exact settings. Make sure images are inline or anchored where you expect them to appear. You'll use the download or print route depending on needs. First, try File Download PDF Document, PDF, for a quick export that preserves layout and fonts. If you need custom ranges or duplex orientation, use Print and select Save as PDF. Choose pages, paper size, and scaling there. Once selected, click Save and pick a folder. Name the file clearly. If you rely on professional printing, export at high quality and confirm fonts are embedded. You're almost done. Open the PDF to verify everything. Page breaks, images, and fonts should match the doc. If something looks off, re-export using Print Save as PDF, which often fixes scaling problems. Alternatively, download again from File Download PDF. If the file won't save or download, clear your browser cache, try incognito or switch browsers. Sometimes an extension blocks downloads. As a last resort, make a copy of the doc and export the copy to isolate permission or corruption issues.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.